Today it is Disney's Typhoon Lagoon versus Universal's Volcano Bay. Two epic parks. Which one should you visit next? Both parks are located in Orlando, Florida, but they're part of different resort empires. Typhoon Lagoon is nestled inside Walt Disney World, while Volcano Bay is part of Universal Orlando Resort. Theme-wise, Typhoon Lagoon is all about tropical chaos after a mythical storm. Think shipwrecks, surfboards, and Mount Mayday. Volcano Bay is a Polynesian paradise built around the mighty Krakatoa volcano with lava flows and island vibes. Both are immersive, but Volcano Bay leans more exotic and modern. Let's talk thrills. Volcano Bay is the adrenaline junkie's dream. It's got 12 slides, including the Ko'okiri Body Plunge, a 125-foot drop at a 70-degree angle. You literally fall through a trap door. Typhoon Lagoon is more chill, but still fun. It has 7 slides, including Humunga Kawabunga, a 54-foot drop in the dark. The surf pool. It's the largest wave pool in North America, with 6-foot swells every 90 seconds. You can even take surf lessons. Typhoon Lagoon offers Castaway Creek, a gentle, lazy river through tropical scenery. Volcano Bay has 2 rivers, Kopiko Y for a chill float, and Teawa the Fearless River, which is basically a whitewater ride. Life jackets required. Foodies, listen up. Volcano Bay wins on variety. Think coconut curry chicken and tropical cocktails. Typhoon Lagoon keeps it classic with burgers, hot dogs, and Dole Whip. Both parks offer cabana rentals, lockers, and mobile apps to help you navigate. Prices fluctuate based on season and demand. Typhoon Lagoon wins as it usually is cheaper with free parking, while Volcano Bay is usually a bit more plus paid parking. Typhoon Lagoon wins with parking as you get to park in a parking lot at the park with little effort to drive into it. Volcano Bay parking is at a garage at Universal, where you compete with everyone trying to pay to get into Universal Parks and the water park, then get in line for a bus ride to Volcano Bay. Make sure you mention you are going to Volcano Bay so you get that red slip so you are directed to the correct lot, otherwise it will be lost time walking to catch the bus. Make sure you know where you parked by taking a snapshot, otherwise you will have a final attraction called Where I Parked. Hotel guests staying on site get early park entry, so arrive early. Snooze and you lose. For Volcano Bay, there is a side entrance off Cabana Bay Resort for hotel guests staying on site, but you need your room key to access it. In 2025, Disney is letting guests staying on site to use both of its water parks on the day you arrive and the day you leave. Hopefully, it will be here to stay in years ahead. Volcano Bay tends to draw thrill seekers. Typhoon Lagoon is more family-friendly and laid back. That is until they run big waves, but they do small ones too. So, who wins the water park face-off? If you're chasing thrills and modern vibes, Volcano Bay is your volcano-fueled paradise. If you want classic Disney charm and epic waves, Typhoon Lagoon is your tropical escape. Hartunian Agents wants to be your real estate go-to source. If you are interested in buying, selling, or renting in Greater Orlando, South Florida, or the space and treasure coasts of Florida, then contact us for the contact info on the screen to get started. Whichever you choose, you're in for a splash-tastic day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you are notified each time we upload a video, and drop a comment below. Which park would you pick? Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.